feeling some sort of emotion. I'm now floating through the ethereal planes. I'd like to come back down and bring forth the bass. Okay, this music is starting to make me feel a little bit aroused, feeling sexy in the club, saying, hey, ladies, let's relax. Let's play this cool. I know what you're doing. Don't tell me that you love me. You manipulate me. I'm married. This is hypothetical.
Don't tell me you love me. I just want your body.
Go catch a wave to the bottom. Catch a wave to the bottom, to the booty. Or catch a wave to the end of your life. You've done all these drugs. You're smoking crack, and now you're at the bottom. You're done. You're toast. Don't let the waves attract you. Okay? Go over the waves. Fly above the waves. Look down at them.
Catch a wave to the bottom. Go catch a wave to the bottom.
It's way out there. There's no brains out there, man. And you know this. There's no brains out there. You go to Walmart. There's nothing in there. There's no brains in there. It's a shit show. Absolutely. Cheap fame out there. Show you my boob right now. Hold your phone up. A little dance monkey dance. You think you got it?
It's way out there. No brains out there. Cheap fame out there. There's no way out there.
Okay, gonna do some finishing touches, make sure everything's sounding all right. Thank you for joining me in my laundry room. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.